I have a 130V40WKLL microwave light bulb and I was looking to replace it. Is there an LED bulb or an energy-efficient one that I can use to replace it instead of what I have now? I like the look of LED lights better than the dull yellow I get from the previous bulb.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. So the problem with changing these units out to LED bulbs is that LED bulbs require a transformer to run on 120 volts, which is currently how much voltage is going to the current light socket. Now Home Depot and such sells LED bulbs with the converts built into them, but only for more standard sized bulbs right now, like 60 watt or 75 watt or 100 watt bulbs. I don't know of any bulbs that have a transformer built into them that would be low enough to work on your microwave. I'm afraid there just isn't a demand for them.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.